Are you ready to carve a pumpkin into a jack-o'-lantern? First, make sure you have a parent or an adult with you because the tools you need can be sharp and you don't want to get an ouchie. We have to cut the top of the pumpkin open and use the scooper to scoop out all the seeds and what I like to call the guts or the pulp of the pumpkin to make it nice and clean inside. And then we use our sharp knife again to cut out shapes or the design of our jack-o'-lantern, like the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. So always make sure you have an adult with you. Yay, we don't want you to get an ouchie. I'm gonna start by making a cut at the top around the stem so I can open up my pumpkin. Here we go, first mark. And I also want to do it at an angle so that there we go, so that the lid doesn't fall in. Here we go. Ooh, I love the smell of pumpkin. Oh, it's so yummy. Reminds me of fall and Halloween. Let me see where the front's gonna be of my pumpkin. I'm gonna do the front right here. This looks like a good area for the face of my jack-o'-lantern. Keep going around. I'll even do a little notch. All right. Here we go. We're going to take off the top. Whoa! It's like a little hat for our pumpkin. Oh, I love the smell of pumpkins. This is a definite must-do thing for Halloween. Carve a jack-o'-lantern. Okay, I gotta roll up my sleeves a little bit because we need to take out all these strings and the seeds of our pumpkin. It gets a little messy. All right, first I'm gonna shave off, whoopsies, these strings. This is where you want mom or dad's help or an adult's help. But you can definitely do the scooping part with your scooper. Not gonna get hurt there. Maybe just a little messy, but no boo-boos. All right, let me put my knife down. Okay, now I'm gonna start scooping. All right, scoop all around. Here's our seeds. So many seeds. Oh, they smell so good. All right, I'm just gonna really do a bunch of scooping first before I pull anything out. Look at all these seeds, pumpkin seeds. Super yummy when you roast them. So if you want to roast them, you have to put them maybe on, well, you kind of got to wash them off first and put them on a baking sheet. But if you're not going to roast them, you're not going to plant them, you can just put them in the compost or the garbage. Another thing to think about when you're cutting out the top is you need to make a hole big enough for your hand and arm to go into so you can scoop out all of those seeds and the stringy things like the guts. So you can't make a little hole, you gotta make a pretty big hole. And I did a pretty good job. There's still some seeds in there, but I can scoop them out later. Okay, now I have some markers so we can draw on our jack-o'-lantern face. I have 2 Crayola washable markers, and then I have a brown Sharpie in case these don't go on well. All right, we need 2 eyes, 1 nose, and 1 mouth. I'm gonna make my jack-o'-lantern happy with a smiley face and some teeth. What shape should I do the eyes? I could do circles or a crescent, or triangles are popular for jack-o'-lanterns. I think I'll do crescent eyes and a triangle nose. All right, let's draw on our eyes. Let's try the blue first. So, do our eyes. Oh, that looks cute. And I'm gonna put my other eyeball here. And you can have fun with this, have your parents help. Carving pumpkins is all about having fun. It's part of Halloween, the spirit of Halloween. A triangle nose. And now it's time for the cute smile. give him or her some teeth, and they can be rectangle teeth or pointy teeth like a vampire. Okay, I think that's a pretty cute jack-o'-lantern face. Let's carve it out. I'm gonna start with the nose. And sometimes you get a little bit off from where you drew, but that's okay. Out pops the nose. Pop. Pop. There's our nose. And why do we make holes? So that we can put a candle inside our jack-o'-lantern and the light will shine through. The candle also makes a really amazing smell when it's left inside the jack-o'-lantern. Here's our cute little nose. Oh, my top's coming off. That was pretty good. Whoa, that eyeball just fell out. Bloop. Okay, so we have 2 eyes and 1 nose. We need 1 mouth. Nice. These are those good. Oh. And now I'm good. What is it? Okay, let's clean up the face and see our jack-o'-lantern. Then we'll put a candle inside so we can light it up. Face wash. So some of my green marker kind of stained inside, but it looks kind of cool. It adds to the orange and green. It adds to the jack-o'-lantern face. All right, I'm gonna go grab a candle and we'll see how our jack-o'-lantern looks. I found a candle and I'm going to light it, and this is when you really need an adult to do this for you. We're gonna put our little hat or the top of our pumpkin back on. And some people choose to carve out the bottom of the pumpkin too and leave the top intact. Leave the top where it is. Here we go. I love it. Put our top back on. Oh, and it's flickering. And there is our happy jack-o'-lantern. Thanks for carving a pumpkin with me. It was so much fun. I love this Halloween tradition. A big thank you to my subscribers. Thanks for watching and have a happiness Halloween.